Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. There are so many ways we can do eggs omelette or egg bhaji, egg curry, then egg muffins, anything like that, right? But have you ever tried grating the boiled egg and making this egg bharta? So if you have not tried, do stay tuned and you will see how I made egg bharta or egg keema. No-brainer recipe, and you are going to enjoy this recipe with amazing flavors, and it's just a healthy version of it, and just simple preparation, no grinding, no mixing anything, just simple preparation, and you will be done in 15 minutes. So let's see what are the ingredients. Alright, let's check out the ingredients for egg keema recipe. So of course we need some eggs. I have taken 4 eggs. These are boiled eggs and I have grated them. Some dry spices here. I have 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 to 3 pinches of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of paav bhaji masala, and about 1 tablespoon of fenugreek leaves. We need about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Here are some vegetables. I have 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half of bell pepper. This is green bell pepper, finely chopped. I have finely chopped coriander, about 3 to 4 tablespoons, 2 medium-sized tomatoes, and 2 medium-sized chopped onion. Let's start with the recipe. Alright, so I have my pan ready here. Let's add, I have added 3 tablespoons of oil. Let's add onion. Just bunch of onion so that we have the thickness to the gravy. We are not going to grind anything. Saute it really well. It's a very interesting recipe, and I'm sure you're gonna give it a try. Turn the heat to high and saute it really well. Alright, in about 2 minutes, as you can see, the onion is translucent and turning golden brown. Let's add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Make sure the raw smell of ginger garlic paste goes. That's the key. We need to saute these vegetables really nicely to get a beautiful flavor. In about 1 minute, time to add our tomatoes. You can add some salt right now, just to get the tomato and onion cook nicely. Just for the beautiful flavor and the extra crunch, we are adding half of a bell pepper, which is capsicum. Time to add all these dry spices. I have red chili powder, kasuri methi, paav bhaji masala, garam masala, namak, salt, and turmeric powder. Let's add everything at once. Just quick and easy. Add some coriander for flavoring right now. And saute this for about 2 minutes until the oil oozes out. You will see oil on the side, and that's the sign that this masala or this mixture is very well cooked. So keep sauteing until then. Alright, so in about 3 to 4 minutes, as you can see, the oil started oozing out. Now it's time to add my boiled grated egg. So I'm just gonna keep some of the grated egg aside for garnishing, but rest all goes in. And some coriander, that will be our garnishing right here. Then we put all other stuff in here. Wow, look at this, how beautiful it already looks. Give that a good mix. And add some water now. About 3 to 4 tablespoons maybe. Give that a good mix. Beautiful, flavorful egg keema. Let it cook for about 2 minutes. And look at this, foodies. This delicious egg bharta or egg keema, whatever you want to call it as, is totally ready in no time. It's just with some coriander and some shredded boiled egg that we had. And here you go, my egg bharta or egg keema is totally ready. Serve this with roti, fulka, naan or paratha, any which way you would like, and enjoy this beautiful, flavorful egg. If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button, share with your friends and families, and do try it at home. If you are not subscribed yet, try my other recipes on my channel. And the subscription is nothing but you just need to, you will get the next video recipes when I upload. So that's that. So I hope you do that. And if you have already subscribed, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care till then. Guys, you can just get a bread toasted on in butter and simply spread this mixture, and you will be amazed how tasty it is. So I'm sure you're gonna try this recipe in your kitchen and do share your feedbacks. Thank you so much, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye bye.